Members of the Association of the Past Pupils of Don Bosco, India, meet together for the 8th Quadrennial Congress 2022 with the motto, Don Bosco Mission, Our Mission at Pastoral Center Shillong, today, the 13th of October 2022 till the 15th of October 2022. Mr. D.P. Walang, IAS, the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, graced the function as the chief guest. The program was also attended by the Salesian Provincial of the Shillong Province, Father Paul Olinkon, Vice Provincial, Father John Zosiama, and many other Salesian priests and the FMA sisters. The delegates, past pupils of Don Bosco all over India, came to this meet with Chennai as the highest delegates who attended the program. On his speech, D.P. Walang said that through the vision of that Don Bosco saw, he created a method of changing the whole society through education, through religious instructions, along with creative recreation. Meanwhile, the cultural program was organized where people from different tribes performed in this occasion. Mementos were also distributed to the dignitaries.